Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see first Instagram message without post scrolling. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app, tap on Messenger. Okay, then choose someone. Okay, then without scrolling, then scroll first message. Okay, then click on top right, then battery option, then click, then scroll your message, then hour, click on, then scroll, then click, then scroll, then top right battery option, click. That's all. Then try another person, just click top right Wi-Fi option and network option and battery time option, just click, then scroll, just click, then scroll. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.